if I told you that you can generate Veo 3.1 AI videos for free, directly from your browser without paying for an expensive subscription? And no, I'm not talking about a basic image-to-video generator. I'm talking about generating cinematic AI videos using Google's Veo 3.1 model from a website that you can start using for free. If you've been following AI video generation recently, you already know how powerful Veo has become. The problem is that accessing some of the best AI video models can quickly become expensive, especially if you're a content creator, marketer, freelancer, or simply someone who wants to experiment with AI video. But I recently found a website that gives you another way to generate videos using Veo 3.1, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. In this video, we're going to test the platform together. I'll show you how to create an account, where to find Veo 3.1, how to write your prompt, the available generation settings, and most importantly, what kind of video quality you can actually get from it. We're also going to generate a few examples so you can judge the results for yourself. So this isn't just going to be a quick overview. We're actually going to put the website to the test and make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also show you a few things you should know before using the platform, especially if you're planning to use these videos for YouTube, social media, advertising, or client projects. Because getting access to the model is only one part of the equation. Getting a good result from Veo 3.1 depends heavily on how you use it. So instead of talking about it any longer, let's open the website and see exactly what it can do. First of all, open your browser and search for SnapGen. This is the tool we need for today's free access to Veo. Open it in a new tab and sign up. Currently, the only sign up option is with Google account. After signing up, we are in the official playground of SnapGen. This is where we can generate our free AI videos. This is the generation section, and below here you see a couple of sample videos here. You can take a look at them to check the quality before even generating the video. At the top, you will see credits. It says 10. Sometimes you get 10 credits, while other times you get 40 credits. But don't sweat about credits, as the free tier in this tool has nothing to do with credits. This is actually the secret part. Anyways, we get three main functions here: AI images, chat with AI, and AI videos. This is the one we will be working with today. To create your free video, go to the main playground and select the model. See here, select video generation provider. We have 4 video models here: Google Veo 3, Grok, ByteDance, and Kling. ByteDance and Kling are not free. To benefit from Veo 3, you have to follow the upcoming parameters. Let's add the prompt now. I have a library of test prompts here to test human realism, lighting, reflections, complex environments, animal animation, motion consistency, speech quality, and lip sync. Selfie camera. Let's try this one. Copy the whole prompt. Paste the prompt here. Select aspect ratio. I am making a long selfie video, so choose the 16:9 ratio. Also select video resolution, 720p or 1080p. Both are free, so let's pick the highest resolution to test it out. Simply hit generate and create your video. But before we hit generate, let me show you something. Here it says that we have 10 credits remaining only. These are very low, obviously, but below here we have a secret message. This one says, this generation will cost 0 credits per video, meaning we are getting our videos for free. It is processing our selfie vlog. While it's rendering, pay attention to the queue time and overall speed, because this matters if you're planning to create videos regularly. The rendering time it takes is almost similar to the official flow. Our first generation is complete. Let's watch the result.
Look at this incredible atmosphere. The street food smells amazing, and the lights are just stunning. I can't wait to show you around.
We can download the video right here as well, but let's take a look at its quality. Click on the video and play it. It's looking incredible already, but let's play the generation. The first thing that stands out is the realism. The scene looks highly realistic. The close-up shot makes it appear more natural and cinematic. Another impressive point here is facial features. Look at the face of this young lady. It's sharp and realistic. Skin texture, eye movement, everything feels pretty natural. The environmental background, the depth, and the motion in this scene feel convincing. Overall, I think it's 9 out of 10 for quality and speed. And if you notice carefully, you will see that it does not even have any watermark on it. So the best one in the free tier. I tried this prompt here as well to test their quality in long and consistent scenes, and this is the result I got. Looks good, right? This is by far the best alternative for free Veo. Simple and easy, just like the official one. Go ahead and try it today. If you have any questions in your mind for this, ask me right here in the comments. Like, subscribe and share it with your friend and team as well. Make sure you join this channel as soon as possible, as I will keep on dropping new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.